here we go. I am going to make ice, instant ice, because this has been frozen to near or freezing temperatures, but it does not have a crystal to build on. But when you pour it on these crystals, the change happens from a solid to, isn't that cool? From a liquid to a solid because of a thing called nucleation, where it's the molecules change from the liquid format to the frozen format. I think we're gotten to the point where it's all, look at that. You want to eat it? Okay. All right, that's one. I got to do another one. All right. Okay, number 2, we pour the water that's been frozen for 2 hours and 45 minutes, so it's at freezing temperature, and does not have any crystal to build on yet, but we add in an ice cube, and boom, it starts it up. Voila! Perfect! That's a whole cupful. You want it? All right. And this one froze as soon as I got it out of the freezer. Bummer. All right, well, that one, I guess it just had a little bump on it, so that one didn't work so good, but we can still maybe get some of the water out and do the last one of putting the ice cube in the water. And that, and then we'll put the ice cube in the water. And nope, that one already had the chemical reaction happen in here. Bummer. Oh well. What, you want that? Okay. All right, so that one didn't work because I did I think the plastic bent and it hit the bottle, and so it started the action inside the bottle as I was getting it out of the freezer. So the last one didn't get on video of bonking it and it going, or of putting the actual ice cube in the water all the way and watching it go throughout, but we tried. The other 2 worked perfectly though. So yeah, so we did those, we did the experiments. And now Grace is eating all the ice. Yeah. Okay, so explanation of my experiment. Reading about it, I learned the term nucleation, which is where it's kind of like a chain reaction. So when the water's cooled and there's no impurities in it, there's nothing for the crystals to start building on. But like when I bumped the water bottle or squeezed the water bottle, it's kind of started a reaction, formed one crystal, and then the molecules can kind of build on that crystal and get from the formation of what they are in a liquid, which is loose, into the ice crystal form, which is close together and more structured. So it kind of starts off that reaction. So that's what I think happened. And then when it in the water bottle, the reaction had already happened, so I probably warmed the water up a little bit, or why it didn't work after it had already formed in the bottle, and then pouring it out, which probably it had warmed already, is why I'm thinking it didn't work again. And then I think that's the main things, like why it forms the way it did.